How can I adjust the volume of one or two instruments in my combi while playing a song using the Surface RT control knobs on the Korg Nautilus? You can definitely use the RT control knobs on your Korg Nautilus to adjust the volume of specific instruments in a combination. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you set this up. 1. Select the combination. Start by selecting the combination you want to edit. 2. Enter the Control Surface mode. Press the Control Assign button to switch to the Control Surface mode. 3. Assign the knobs. Go to the Timbre Parameter tab. Select the MIDI Filter Zones page. Choose the Knobs tab. Assign the desired RT control knobs to the volume of the specific timbres instruments you want to control. 4. Adjust the volume. Use the assigned RT control knobs to adjust the volume of the selected instruments in real time while playing. This setup allows you to dynamically control the volume of different instruments within your combination, giving you more flexibility during your performance.